Back with you tonight here on In Focus. A CCMA case in favor of an employer against an employee's refusal to get a COVID-19 vaccine has been met with mixed reaction from labour unions, the business sector as well as legal practitioners. The matter has brought an existing debate over calls for a clearer national guideline back under the spotlight. Our business reporter Dumisang Ndlovu has more.
Labour unions including BUSA and COSATU have expressed disappointment at this CCMA ruling in favour of a company's decision to sack an employee for refusing to take the COVID-19 vaccine. But labour law practitioner at Bowman's, Chloe Lobsha, says the merits in this case speak for themselves.
The arbitrator said that the policy itself, from its drafting to its implementation, followed all of the crucial steps as contemplated in this occupational health and safety direction. And it seems that that was a very important factor. I think the first thing we need to appreciate is this is only a CCMA arbitration award. This isn't a labour court judgment, so we don't yet know how the labour court is going to decide. And this arbitration award may actually well be taken on review. The labour court may very well have a different approach. But what it does do is that it gives employers some kind of indication about how the CCMA might approach these kinds of issues, bearing in mind that the CCMA is not bound by other decisions of CCMA commissioners. They can look to it for guidance, but it doesn't provide the same kind of precedent as a labour court judgment would.
The business community has also been quite vocal on the lack of a clear path around the issue of mandatory vaccination. Players in the sector say comprehensive regulations are urgently needed. Business Unity South Africa's CEO and convener at B4SA Cas Coovadia explains.
Now, the CCMA case, it was ruled in favor of the employer. I am told that the employee is taking it on review to the labour court. And I think that we will certainly keep a watching brief on that, because that will then provide the opportunity for a court, even a labour court, to actually give some degree of certainty or clarity to the situation. And hopefully in the next couple of weeks with this particular CCMA case, we will track those, we will join those where we need to, with the whole intention of getting a court to bring about some legal certainty to us.
The CCMA ruling may still be taken on review, and should that happen, the expectation is that the Labour Court may come to a different finding. For Newsroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Dumisang Ndlovu in Johannesburg.